Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is the second video in a series today of the beginning of the end for Windows 10 with something else that Microsoft has actually announced today. So when you go online, you can purchase Windows 10 license for installing on a new PC, for example. So you could go to the Microsoft website, you can install it, or there are different vendors out there that you can go. If there still exists somewhere, you might go into a store and see a USB thumb drive with a Windows 10 and a key, a product key or license key. So these are going away. Microsoft has said that starting January 31st of this month, this year, there will be no more downloading and buying licenses from the Microsoft website. So that means that technically you won't be able to have a brand new Windows 10 on a new PC because they won't be selling licenses anymore. Now, let's put this in perspective, what it actually means. So Microsoft will stop selling license keys, so no more product keys, nothing, to activate Windows 10. That means there are probably tons and tons of keys out there that still exist that different vendors will have. Well, those will continue being sold as long as they exist, but they will eventually expire. So that means you'll find product keys here and there. You'll find some Windows here and there that you can buy. But as time goes by, it's going to get more and more difficult to find a Windows 10 with a product key because Microsoft is technically stopping Windows 10 from being sold. It's pretty much what they do. You stop giving license keys or product keys. It means you're stopping the Windows 10 or the Windows operating system from being sold. So no more getting any licenses, Pro or Home on Microsoft website. What that means, so you'll still be able to download the images and everything. You just won't be able to purchase a key at some point in time. So at first from Microsoft, then from vendors, as the product keys they have will eventually be all sold for some reason. That means that Windows 10 is a thing of the past. It's we don't want to sell Windows 10 anymore, and that also means that if you buy a new PC with Windows 10 after the end of the month, people that wanted to go back to Windows if they have Windows 11 on it and want to go back to Windows 10, that won't be possible anymore. So the other thing also that I want to mention is, remember that even though the product keys are not being sold anymore, if you have anywhere a Windows 7 or Windows 8 product key that has not activated a Windows 10 yet, that loophole still works. You can still use an old product key from Windows 7 or Windows 8 to install Windows 10. So that loophole will continue working. So that means, old product keys might actually be activating Windows 10 a little more in the future if Windows or Microsoft doesn't sell product keys anymore. So once again, that's another sign of the end. It means that we're not selling Windows 10 anymore. We don't want to sell Windows 10 anymore. And, it's Windows 11 and the future of Windows now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.